Hey, I'm John with Launch. We're a law firm that works with small and mid-sized companies. And I wanted to quickly talk about a question we hear all the time. And that's how you deal with the issue of potentially wanting to put an employee on a contract. So the question usually comes up like this. Company's got an employee, they'd like to put that person on a contract. And will that then make them a 1099 as opposed to a W-2 and take away all the responsibility of the company for paying taxes? The answer to that is no, that's not the case. There's a difference between an independent contractor agreement and an employee contract. Typically, businesses are not going to want employees working on a contract. It takes away some of the company's rights and ability to sort of discipline or terminate the employee if things go wrong, because they're shifting from being an at-will employee into working under a contract that governs how the employment relationship works. And while you're the company and you would create that, it's still not ideal. You'd rather those employees be at-will employees, opening up all the freedom as much as possible in order to do what you want and how you manage them. That's something completely different from the independent contractors, which are third parties who you contract with for services and who typically aren't on payroll or shouldn't be on payroll. They should be sending you invoices and working as service providers, not internal employees that you manage on a day-to-day basis. So watch out for that distinction. An employment contract is not the same thing as an independent contractor agreement. Person's still a W-2 on an employment contract, and you may be giving up some of your rights as a business in terms of how you manage that employee.